Welcome back to my channel, guys. Let's just get straight into this. First of all, I love the packaging. It says beauty always makes you happy. What are you waiting for? Let's always be happy. It's all about yourself. These messages are so funny, and the brand is called marckershome. I got it on Amazon for like £17, which isn't too crazy and it's quite affordable. So let's just see what's in the box. We've got some nail art foil, some clips for your dual forms, and they were really generous with this. There's like 10 of them. Next, we've got the 8 polygels, decent size, can't wait to swatch them. We've got the gel brush, a double-ended gel brush. We've got the instruction manual to tell you how to use everything that's in the kit. Dual forms. Now, you guys know I don't really use dual forms, but it's always nice when they add it in. We've got some nail art. We've got some more nail art strings. I never really use these, but it's nice to have. We've got a nail brush, some pink heart toe separators or finger separators. We've also got these nail clippers. Aren't these so cute? Like, look at the smiley face. I've never seen a nail clipper that looks like this. This is absolutely just adorable. We've got a nail file, 100/180 grit. Ooh, next is this box of gel polishes. We're going to be opening and swatching them in a second. Another file. And we've got some nail art brushes. Now, I tried to use some of these nail art brushes in my next video for my nail art. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video. You can see all these products in action and how well they worked. So we've just got some extra nail tools. And that's it. The box is finally empty. We're just going to take a closer look at everything. So this is how the nail clips are actually meant to be used with the dual forms. Now, I think these nail art charms are actually quite cute, and I also think they would have been perfect for like Easter nails, because these rocks kind of look like eggs. I could have done something like Easter eggy with them. Okay, now for the polishes, the moment I've been waiting for. So we've got 5 polishes, a matte top coat, a regular top coat, a base coat, and 2 polishes in the shade 12 and 26. So let's swatch them together. I'm so excited. So the 12 is a lovely bright orange, perfect for summer. And the 26 is a nice maroon deep red. Such a pretty color. I also love the consistency of these polishes. They're really light. Now, I use the top coat on the color 12 and the matte top coat on the color 26. I love the top coat. Is really shiny. It's a no wipe top coat, no sticky layer, so that's like a 10 out of 10 for me. It's gonna be my new favorite top coat. So yeah, let's get into these polygel swatches. I'm gonna have the names of the polygels on the screen, and enjoy the video, guys. So I love all these colors. The pinks definitely feel like a jelly polygel and like a jelly color, but I definitely love the glitter colors. My only complaint is that the tubes were like half empty for most of the polygels. Like, that really annoyed me, I'm not gonna lie. But anyways, these are one of the sets I did with this kit. These summery, flowery Hello Kitty kawaii nails. I absolutely love these nails. I was just so obsessed with these nails. I hand drew that Hello Kitty. Yeah, me. So if you want to see the full tutorial, make sure you're subscribed, because it's gonna be my next video. Okay, I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.